Alright folks, Jeff Carter here, and you're watching The Eyes of Owen on YouTube.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You will forget me.
What a kerfuffle to get through the barrier. Anyway, they let me through, but we had to phone somebody, else. Now then, where are we? We're at the top of the world. No, we're at the top of Siam, at Siam.
Hi guys.
What are your impressions? It's your first morning in Pattaya. We've had a bit of a wander around. What do you think?
Totally blown away. It's absolutely stunning. Here we are. Blue Ant on Side Sea.
It's fantastic here. It's amazing.
Amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Hey guys, please subscribe. Eyes of Honor.
Owen.
Owen.
Okay. Take two.
We have many มะพร้าวขนม and ขนมปังมะพร้าวอ่อน okay, it's bread and coconut.
Cheap Charlie's, and this is my breakfast. It's the 129 baht one.
Oh, and fatty bread.
And fatty, oh, and fried bread, nice. I'm buying some canums. These are really nice. They're like a donut mixture. The old hideaway on the left. Kevin Thailand used to do his live.
We've got a new hairstyling.
Ding ding.
Thai.
Khao niao. Not chi niao, khao niao.
You are ที่เหนียว อันนี้ข้าวเหนียว you are ที่เหนียว English Acacia. Acacia.
This is one pearl. Decent hotel. Good name for a bar. Funny name. Bareback. How to order a Subway in Pattaya? I don't know. Michael J, put that eye. Con mi fan mày? Sốt. Sốt. Yeah. Okay, my friend, thank you. A new day in a new hat, searching for the coconut man. On Site 11 in Pattaya. We're having a few beers. Busy in here, and they've got a promotion in the bar where if you buy a number of drinks,
8 small alright. Can mix and match.
you get a little stamp there and you get a free drink. Bloody hell, there's some power going into that. How are we doing?
Alright. I thought I'd just leave you till this morning.
Alright.
I cannot speak English.
ทำไม
พูดภาษาเยอรมัน
Okay, thank you. I don't know who that was. It's going on to me in that lift.
Why you won't make me do?